Hey there, and welcome to the very first episode of Inbox to Income. I'm Liesel, and I'm so excited you're here. If you're an e-commerce solopreneur juggling all the things, running your store, creating content, and trying to figure out how to get more sales through email marketing, this episode is definitely for you. A little about me. I've been exactly where you are, wearing all the hats in my business and trying to manage everything from social media to ads, all while hoping something would stick. Then I discovered email marketing, and it completely changed the game for me. I realized it's not just about selling, it's about building relationships with your customers that turn into long-term revenue. Since then, I've helped businesses use Klaviyo and Shopify to simplify their email marketing, and now I'm here to help you do the same without all the overwhelm. Today I'll be walking you through how to effortlessly set up Klaviyo and connect it with your Shopify store. Let's dive right in. First things first, if you don't already have a Klaviyo account, it's time to sign up. Head over to Klaviyo's website and create a free account. It's quick and easy, and once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Klaviyo dashboard. This dashboard will become your new best friend in the world of email marketing, where you can manage all your campaigns, automations, and customer data. If you're just getting started, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout. But don't worry if it feels overwhelming. We'll keep things simple for now. Next is where the magic starts. Now that you have Klaviyo set up, let's link it to your Shopify store so the two platforms can start talking to each other. This integration allows Klaviyo to pull in all the important customer data from Shopify, like order history, site activity, which will help you send personalized emails. Here's how to do it. In your Klaviyo dashboard, find the Integrations tab on the left-hand side. Scroll through the available integrations until you find Shopify. Click on the Shopify integration and then hit Add Integration. At this point, it'll ask for your Shopify store's URL. This is just your store's address, something like mystore.myshopify.com. Once you've entered that, click Connect to Shopify. You'll be redirected to Shopify where you'll need to authorize the connection. This is a super important step because it allows Klaviyo to access your store's data, things like customer information and order history. When you're ready, click Install App to finalize the connection. Okay, now that Klaviyo and Shopify are officially best friends, let's make sure they're sharing all the right info. This step ensures that your customer data is syncing properly so you can use it to create more personalized email campaigns. Here's what you need to do. Go to the Shopify integration settings in Klaviyo. You'll see options to sync data like customer profiles, product info, and order data. Make sure these are all turned on. And while we're here, let's turn on web tracking. This feature allows Klaviyo to track what your customers are doing on your site, like which products they're viewing. This data is super helpful when it comes to creating personalized emails later on. And lastly, if you want Klaviyo to pull in any historical data from Shopify, like past orders or customer behavior, go ahead and turn that on too. It might take a bit of time to sync, but it's worth it if you want to build more targeted campaigns based on your existing customers' behavior. And before we wrap up, let's make sure everything is working as it should be with a quick test run. You don't want to dive into email marketing without checking that the integration is solid. Here's how to do a quick test. Send a test email. Head to Klaviyo and create a super simple email. Just a hello world message works fine. Send it to yourself and check that it arrives in your inbox. If you've already got product recommendations set up in Shopify, make sure they're showing up correctly in the email too. Review your data sync. Go back to your Klaviyo dashboard and make sure that all your Shopify data, like customer profiles, order history, and product info, is syncing properly. If everything's showing up as it should, you're good to go. Doing this quick test will give you peace of mind that your systems are working before you start sending emails to your customers. Congratulations! You've officially connected Klaviyo to Shopify and set the stage for some seriously effective email marketing. At this point, your store's data is syncing, your settings are in place, and you've even run a test to make sure everything is working smoothly. Now you're ready to start exploring Klaviyo's tools, from building your email lists to sending your first campaign. And if you want to dive deeper into creating automated flows like welcome series or abandoned cart emails, stay tuned for my upcoming Klaviyo crash course where we'll cover all of that in detail. For now, take a moment to celebrate. You're already ahead of the game. And if you want a checklist of everything we covered today, head over to the show notes or visit my website. And as always, I'm just a DM away if you have any questions. Thanks so much for tuning in to the first episode of Inbox to Income. I'll catch you next time, where we'll dive into even more strategies to grow your e-commerce business through email marketing. Let's turn those emails into revenue.